Anyone can become a virtual assistant and make money by providing easy services. Welcome to Best Tech, your best bet when it comes to equipping yourself with the right knowledge and skills. Have you been wondering what services you can provide online to increase your earnings? Best Tech is here with simple and easy tips to make money as a virtual assistant. But before we give you the secrets to your success as a virtual assistant, please like this video and subscribe if you are new here. You might be wondering, what exactly is a virtual assistant? As easy as it may sound, a virtual assistant offers administrative services to clients working from the comfort of their homes. Common virtual assistant services include making phone calls, keeping up with email accounts, managing social media accounts, scheduling appointments, keeping calendars up to date, data entry, and making travel arrangements. You can get virtual assistant jobs on websites like FlexJobs, Upwork, TopTal, and Indeed. For more ways to make money from home, watch our video on 10 side hustles you can start with no money. The link is in the description. Here are a few ways you can become a successful virtual assistant. 1. Providing customer services. Most business owners are very concerned with satisfying their customers' needs and making them happy. Hence, you can work as a virtual assistant providing customer services to clients. The few tasks involved include managing shipments, responding to customer inquiries, offering support to customers in real time, facilitating purchases, and chasing payments. Virtual assistants can also update records and process orders. Businesses receive lots of feedback, questions, and inquiries from their audience, and thus they need detail-oriented freelancers to help them out. 2. Finance management. Generally, figures and calculations are a turn-off to so many people. Hence, if you're an expert in calculating figures, keeping accounts and statistics, you're good to go. If you're skilled in this field, you can offer services such as retirement fund management, planning for taxes, profit and loss calculation, bookkeeping, creating, sending and logging invoices, tracking of debt repayment, processing payment, documenting money matters, auditing financial documents, compiling entries about assets and liabilities, analysis of account information, offering financial management advice, and many more. There are just so many things you can do as a virtual assistant. 3. Administrative support. As administrative support personnel, you can offer the following services: booking appointments and calls, monitoring voicemails, managing customer schedules or calendars, and creating spreadsheets. For this, knowledge of Excel is indispensable. You can sign up for our complete Excel course and benefit from our 60% discount. The link will be included in the description. Besides, you can make travel arrangements, draft emails and internal communication, write reports, prepare PowerPoint slides, and manage emails. 4. Social media management. If you know how to manage social media accounts and increase online presence, there are many companies that can hire you. Companies need to be active on social media, however, it takes a lot of time and knowledge to invest in gaining a strong and engaging social media presence. That's why business owners employ knowledgeable virtual assistants who can help manage their social media platforms. Some social media duties include posting on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, replying to comments on social media platforms, updating profiles, knowing about social media SEO and optimizing posts, creating and launching social media campaign ideas, contacting potential social clients, and more. Keep the media and advertising policies of each social media platform up to date. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it and got the knowledge you need to begin your career as a virtual assistant. If you're ready to get going, write "I'm ready" in the comments. We'll make sure to reply and cheer you on. If you still need help getting started, contact us via WhatsApp at the number in the description. To succeed as a VA, you must be determined and consistent. If you're still wondering what side hustles you can do, please watch this video on 10 side hustles you can start with no money in 2022. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more enriching content like this. Thank you for watching, and until next time, Best Tech remains your best bet.